So we have already done the three A's. First one is acknowledge. Acknowledge whether you are feeling uncomfortable or not, and do not deny it. Accept it. Second one was accept. And third one was assessment. What you can means whether the solution is in your hand or not. For suppose if you think if you have gone through a breakup and you think you want a validation from the same person, then you might be in the wrong path. Validation from others is not dependent on you. That is something you cannot control. So you should never think about it. This assessment is not in your hand. The only thing in your hand is to make yourself happy. I'll come up with the fourth one. Fourth one, A is answer. So actually I wanted to give it as S solution, but because to make it like 4 A's, that's why I have given A answer. So what is the answer of your question? What are the answer? How can you find the answer of these questions? First one is what I can do now. This, if this is in my hand, what I can do now. We all are convergent thinkers. Convergent thinker means those who have those who are following societal norms or traditional societal norms, like i have to do I have to do this thing only. I will stick with this one thing only. Maybe you're potent in some other thing, but you have decided this because society has made this job or made this position at a higher level, so I'll fight for only this thing. And it's very good, but just think of it, that where you are doing wrong, or what is the thing that you are doing wrong. And sometimes you're not willing to give that effort, and if it makes you uncomfortable, that is not for you. Just come out of it. It's way better. Faster you come out of it, it will be best for you. So fourth one is answer. First one was acknowledgement. Acknowledge about your discomfort. Second, accept what is the problem. Third is your assessment, what you can do about it, and not to get validation from any other person. The validation will be yourself. For suppose at that point of time you think that I want rest. And some people are like, after breakup they will cut their hair and they'll start running, jogging, they'll focus on looks, they'll lose weight. It's very good you work on yourself, but if you are doing all these things so that you can get validation from others, then you are doing wrong. So third one is assessment. If that is in your hand, do it, and always get validation from yourself. So when you're at this point, when you're before that line, so there is always a line, and this line will be the line when you will be doing things for yourself. It will make you uncomfortable, and in the whole process you have to make yourself clear that I'm not doing to get validation from any other person, I'm doing it for myself. And then it will be whole a period, it can take 1 month, 2 months, but always try to come out of it and give yourself importance. Do not think of any other person, whoever is demeaning you, whoever is not trustworthy. Accept it and be with yourself for some time at least. You don't need anyone for some time. And if you have a trustworthy person, share with them. It's very good to take help from others. Why I do not prefer psychologists to why I don't say you go for therapies and psychologists, because you are already in a bad mental state, and then after you go and pay someone and then you get the therapy, it's more annoying.